We're stepping in the ring and won't let that lady sing. It's over when we say it's over.
Hey guys, today we're playing Gary's mod, and here we see the natural mentality. Okay, so let's get out of this water. I can't hear this. Hold on. Let's sprint to them. Oh, yay! Okay, we made it. Let's fly! Whee! I'm flying! Wow. Okay. So, today we're playing, as I said, Gary's mod. And I got a new... Where is it? Skateboards. Yeah! Mad tricks. Yes. And today we're skateboarding with Gary's. But, oh yeah. I'm not sure why I chose to do a skateboarding video. Skateboarding in this one area. But we don't have to worry. Hold on. I got a really good idea. Oh, no, not that. It's gonna be a big trick. Woo! Oh, I didn't look at it as well. I thought it would. Woo! Oh, wall rider! Wall rider! Oh. Oh. Two skateboards. Okay, let's try this one. Woo! Can I do like a backflip on it? Tell me I can. Nope. I'm gonna just do that. It must be like some sort of way to do tricks. Is that the only tricks you can do? What does view distance do? I don't know. But I had to delete Fallout 4 to play this. That's all I know. I had to delete Fallout 4 for this. Anyway, I can't be videos in Fallout 4, so that's the point basically. But let's get off this. Why am I no clipping?
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'm dead. Apparently. Let's see. There's different skateboards I can spawn in. I want to spawn in a different skateboard. This one. It's not really that different. Yeah. Oh, I just got the best idea ever. Okay, so. What? Alright. Well, anyway, this is my idea. What I do is I take out a gun. So realistic. Okay. What was the actual thing I was gonna do? I forgot. Oh gosh, now I forgot what the thing was that I wanted to grab out. Frank stuff, that's it. This is my suitcase. I'm holding it the wrong way, but I don't care. Ah. Okay, food ration. What? Okay. Am I meant to be holding something right now? Hold on. I know there's only one way to fix this. This way. No, I didn't want to do that. Oh. So that's how that happens. Well, what I was thinking we could do was this. So what Where's my empty hands? Oh, that's right, I died. So what I was thinking of doing was, okay. So what I'd do is go to spawn list. We'll go characters, and we shall spawn in. Hello there. Actually, I don't know where he is. Oh. That's me. That's what he like starts off looking like. So I can't change the color of him, but I can obviously customize myself. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna stand him up. Okay. Put him on his bare feet. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk up behind him, and we're gonna get out this. No, that's not how we do this. No, I got rid of Anthro. Alright. No. This is what we do. We put it on the can, and we put it like this, and then we turn him around with the physics gun. Break dance. It worked. And then we take out tool gun. Shovels and curses on him. All over him. Okay, now he's way heavy. But anyway. We can easily find where he is. Yep, it's down there. Okay, let's retry this. What I wanted to do was I wanted to put him on his feet. Put them all on his back. And then I'd launch him, like standing up. Let's put them all over his body. And then what we do is we look at his head. Okay, you know what? It doesn't work like that. We do this. 3, 2, 1. There he goes. Oh, let's turn it up. Turn up for what? Oh, look, they both are. Okay, well, no, now what should we do? Wait. Dun 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 dun! Oh my god! That's how much I can do. I can do 339 gigabytes. It's like an hour of Gary's mod. But the last thing I decided, you know, this won't be the last thing, but I'm gonna take out this. I'm gonna go on vacation. Everything's okay, cause I'm on vacation. Woo! Hold on. Everything is right. Woo! YOLO! It was like a speed boost. Figured that out. Perfect. So instead, what I might as well do is time. We're already 88 miles per hour, that's not good enough. I know you can fly in it. I forgot how you do that though. It doesn't even want to go forward, it gets spawned in the ground. Yes. That's the handbrake. That's easy, wait, that's right. Let's go with the here, that does that. What about left foot? I know you can fly in this. Seems I'm gonna do it before. Ooh, you know what? Back in first person. I keep forgetting that's the get out of car. I'm still driving. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. Yeah, no. Oh, radio. What? Oh, lift off. It's like it says one. What do you mean by H? Okay, let's just get out. That's not gonna work. But this has to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, favorite, subscribe. I'm a nice person. Don't need to do that. I'll see you guys in the next Gary's Mod or any other game I play video.